Have you ever wondered why some people live to be 100 or even older? Is it to do with their genes? We have an article published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences titled, "How Important Are Genes to Achieve Longevity?" This was published on the 18th of May 2022. Flashwords. Before we dive into the article, let's discuss what they are. So the first one is longevity. This refers to a long duration of individual life, or the length of a person's life. In genetics and biology, it is often studied in the context of why certain individuals or species live longer than others. The second flashword is Genome-Wide Association Studies. These are a type of research study used to examine links between specific genetic variants in a person's DNA and their traits, including disease risk. These studies can help identify genetic regions associated with diseases or conditions, including longevity. Findings. One key finding is that while there have been few replicated associations of common variants with longevity, family studies show particular promise in discovering rare variants that may be linked to living longer. Genome-Wide Association Studies have been used to identify common genetic variants associated with longevity, but these studies have had limited success. The effects of these common variants on lifespan are relatively modest, and the associations have not been consistently replicated across different populations. Family studies, on the other hand, have shown promise in identifying rare genetic variants that may be linked to living longer. These studies involve analysing the genomes of families with exceptional longevity, such as those with multiple members who have lived to be over 100 years old. By comparing the genomes of these families to those of the general population, researchers can identify rare genetic variants that may be associated with living longer. The article also discusses the limitations of meta-analysis approaches in studying the genetics of human longevity. Meta-analysis involves combining data from multiple studies to increase the sample size and statistical power of the analysis. However, the use of an extended definition of long-lived individuals to increase the sample size can lead to increased heterogeneity of the phenotypes being studied, which can limit the power of the analysis. You can find the article in the description below.